We'll guide you through some different fixes you can try when you can't change the display resolution in Windows 11. First, right-click on your Start menu icon and open Device Manager from the menu. Now locate the Display Adapters section and click on this arrow to extend it. From here, right-click on your display driver and choose Update. Select Search automatically, and if your drivers are unupdated, Windows will automatically detect and install the new updated drivers. Go and see if this fixes your issue, and if it doesn't, you can try manually updating these drivers. Close this window, again right-click on your drivers, and select Update Drivers. Now select Browse My Computer, and choose this option right here that says, Let me pick from a list. Now in this list, make sure to select your external GPU if you happen to have one, and click Next to confirm. It will start installing the drivers and the screen may black out as the drivers of your computer will be refreshed and reinstalled. After the successful installation, close this window and check again if this now has fixed the issue. Now, if you have an external GPU, I suggest you update and reinstall the drivers from their official applications. Just go to the bottom right side of the screen, and you may find the NVIDIA app icon located right here. If you can't find it, simply make sure you have installed it from their official website, restart the PC, and search in the taskbar by typing NVIDIA. Open it. Now go to the drivers section from the left panel. It may have already downloaded the latest drivers, you may just need to install it. You can also check for the latest driver update by clicking on this icon right here. After the update is available, install it from here. You can choose this option to completely remove the old versions with possible display bugs and reinstall the new one. I am just going to choose this one for now. After the update, you may need to restart your PC. Now after restart, hopefully you will be able to change the resolution.